One day, about 15 years ago, I told myself, never eat dried duck again. And in this video, I will give you the one Danish Christmas duck recipe that never failed me. The best part is that the duck almost makes itself, and you don't even have to clean the oven. I've been making duck like this, as I said, for about 15 years. Every single Christmas, every special dinner, same method and the same great result. Perfectly tender meat, juicy all the way through, and zero hassle as well. Start by buying a whole duck. Any size really works, small or large. Make sure it's fully defrosted before you start. That part really matters, and it can take about 1 day. Now preheat your oven to 130 degrees Celsius. Low and slow, that is really the secret. Remove the insides, wash the duck thoroughly inside and out. Then pat it completely dry with a paper towel. Season generously with salt and pepper inside and also outside. You'll need shallot onions, dried prunes, and 1 orange, or a few clementines if that's what you have. Chop everything a bit roughly, no need to be precise. Rustic is fine. Stuff it all inside the duck. This keeps the meat moist and gives amazing flavor from the inside afterwards. Close the opening with toothpicks or a small skewer. Nothing fancy really. And here's a big tip, use a roasting bag. This is optional but highly recommended. Duck releases a lot of fat. The roasting bag keeps your oven clean and locks in all the moist. Then place the duck in the bag, put it in a roasting pan, and into the oven it goes. Now comes the best part. Cook the duck for 6 hours at the 130 degrees Celsius. And here's the key, you don't really have to do anything. No basting, no turning, no opening the oven, no grill or anything. Just let the time do its work. Low heat slowly melts the fat and breaks down the meat. That's why this recipe never fails. After 6 hours, take the duck out. Be careful, it's incredibly tender. I'm cutting this one with just one hand while I'm filming this. It's not a trick, that is the result. That's how tender this duck will be. The meat just falls apart. Juicy, soft, perfect. Now to the serving. Serve with the onions, the prunes and oranges from the stuffing. They are full of flavor and soaked in duck juices. It's classic, it's simple, and it's also very Danish. In Denmark, you typically serve the duck with boiled potatoes, red cabbage, and gravy on the side. This comes as an addition to the roast pork that you can choose to have or not. Personally, I prefer duck because it's this easy. If you want a Christmas duck that never turns dry, if you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen, and if you want an oven that doesn't look like a war zone afterwards, this is the recipe. Save it, try it, and share it with a friend who's making a duck for Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone, and thanks for watching.